Hey, what's up, guys? Alright, so today it's gonna be hella sick. We are gonna actually install a HUD on the G35. Now, I had one kind of installed before, but it wasn't done super well. And the way I was running it was just like less than ideal. I was running it kind of like in the middle of the dash, and I really liked the software that I was running, but I think the install can look a lot better. And I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it. I'm actually gonna put it up so that you can see it right on top of the dash there. It'll have RPMs, it'll have the speed, it'll have what else? Torque measured from the transmission, horsepower converted by the torque times RPMs. It'll also include a G meter to tell you how many G's you're pulling. And then in addition to that, it will, what else will it do? Oh, it'll give you your coolant temperature, your exhaust temperature, your timing, and your fuel trims. What am I missing? And air-fuel ratios, because if you didn't know, almost all newer cars will actually have a wideband O2 sensors instead of narrowband. Before you used to have to put in your own wideband if you wanted to monitor your O2 sensors, but with new cars they basically took care of that. So first, we are going to detail her and get her cleaned up because she looks awful right now. Get her looking good, and then we'll go ahead with the install. I'm excited. You should be excited. It's gonna be pretty fun. Alright, so now we might not be winning any awards shows, but at least she's clean, she looks good. Obviously could look better, just cleaned her off real quick, but she still looks good. We're gonna go to the electronics store, get the stuff to do the install for the HUD. Heads up display, I'm thinking it's got a center screen here. This is what the existing column looks like. We got a center screen here, we got a mini screen there, but obviously you guys license plate. Oh man, it's gonna focus. Let's see. Anyway, it says AC on the SUV. It's crazy. If you ever owned like a Honda or something like that, you realize, like a little car, you realize what difference AC makes. Alright, so some basic stuff you're gonna need here. Multimeter. 12 volt, obviously socket to plug into. Wire cutter, wire stripper, a spare wire, soldering iron, unless you're going to crimp everything, which do what you want, either way. This is a ATA circuit, so it plugs into your fuse box and gets you a cord out from a live circuit, and then just some quick disconnect connectors here. Anyway, so it's in the car. Alright, so before we go any further, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel. 'Cause I do a lot of cool stuff, and you don't want to miss any of it. Alright, so your next step is using your multimeter, and then going in the fuse box, finding a fuse that's always on even when the car is off. Good luck with that. Like, seriously, good luck with that one. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and save you guys like an hour of pulling fuses, waiting 30 minutes, and checking in with your multimeter. Just use the lamp fuse inside. It's a 10 amp fuse. It's on the interior fuse box, fuse panel. And it stays on even at 30 minutes after the car goes off, so it's always going to be hot. So it'll keep the device charged. So this is going to be your pigtail. He comes off of your fuse panel, and then he's gonna hardwire into your 12-volt socket. You can pick these up at auto parts stores, and then you're gonna find a clean place to wire this socket, and then run from the 12-volt plug through the wire to the actual heads-up display. So we're gonna wire this in. I'm gonna throw 2 10 amp fuses in him because that's how he works. Crimp them onto here, and then you're going to want to run the black wire to a bare metal on your car to ground it. I'll show you guys what that looks like. Alright, so right here I am actually assembling the mounts. I'm making the mounts for the back of the tablet. The back of the display here, it's going to be, I'm going to paint all these to make it totally professional. But basically, these ones are going to mount to the car. These ones are going to mount to the back of the tablet, that way it's removable in case I ever want to pull it off and switch it with a different display. And then it's going to slide in right there and there. So yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like up on the car. Alright, I'm so tired. It's like 1 in the morning now, but I'm really excited. I gotta show you guys what this looks like. Seriously, it looks like a professional install. Check this out. So we hop in. Oh. Now we got our HUD up here. I hardwired it through here, ran it through the steering column, down, down, down. You can see that left the throw a light on. Hold on. Alright, so you see that the pigtail is going into the fuse box, then it's running up. I had to run the negative lead to that guy over there, that bracket, right there. You see the blue wire, that's the negative lead. And then the 12-volt port and the USB plug is right there. You can see it, it's running up to the steering column. That's the 12-volt socket. Alright, so yeah, that's what we got now. That's how to install a heads-up display on your car, in case you want one, you didn't have one. Pretty easy method. I mean, I'd say the most expensive part is getting the tablet to do it, but honestly, tablets aren't too bad anymore. I like this little Asus one. Yeah. Alright guys, I'll catch you next time. I need to get some sleep. I'm out.